Alright, let's dive in. I'm going to show you how to create your very first 2D character step by step. First things first, grab a pencil and paper or open up your favorite drawing app. The tools don't matter. What matters is getting started. Step 1. Draw a stick figure. Seriously. Start with a simple pose, standing, waving, whatever you like. This is your character's skeleton, and it helps you nail the proportions and movement before you get fancy. Now step 2, block in the basic shapes. Circles for the head and joints, ovals and rectangles for the body, arms and legs. Think of your character as a bunch of simple shapes stacked together. Don't worry about details yet. Just make it loose and fun. Step 3, define the silhouette. Trace over your basic shapes to give your character a distinct outline. Is your character tall and lanky or short and chubby? Play around here. The silhouette is what makes your character instantly recognizable, even in shadow. Fourth step, add features. Time for eyes, nose, mouth, and hair. Keep it simple. Use dots and lines at first, then tweak until you like the vibe. Remember, personality comes from expression, so experiment with eyebrows and mouth shapes to show emotion. Now step 5, dress them up. Add clothes, accessories, anything that helps tell your character's story. Baggy hoodie, wizard hat? Go wild. Stock videos are a great place to grab reference ideas if you're stuck. Last step, color it in. Pick a few colors that fit your character's personality. Don't overthink it. Sometimes simple palettes work best, and there you go. Your very own 2D character, ready to star in comics, games, or animations. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the process. And hey, have fun with it. That's what character design is all about. Subscribe for more tips and happy drawing.